Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have the basics already. Begin by measuring your photo and adding a small border for the mat and overlap so the photo won't slip. Next, mark and cut 4 strips from your chosen waste material. Use cardboard for speed or thin wood for durability. Once cut, dry fit the pieces around the photo to confirm angles and lengths. Make sure mitered corners meet. If not, trim small amounts and retest. This first cut stage determines how clean the whole frame will look when assembled. Now glue the corners together. Apply a thin bead of PVA or hot glue, press corners, and clamp or press with heavy books until set. Once bonded, reinforce the inner seams with tape or small splints glued across the joint for added strength. This prevents warping. Prepare a sturdy backing by doubling cardboard or using recycled hardboard, cutting it to the photo size so it fits snugly. Once everything is stable, sand or trim any uneven edges to keep the front profile flush and clean-looking before decorating. Finish by sanding rough edges and applying a thin coat of paint, varnish, or decorative paper. Allow full drying time to avoid smudges. Place the photo and optional mat into the frame, secure with glue dots, small tabs, or a taped pocket, then attach a hanging tab or wire to the back. If you spot gaps or slight warping once dry, clamp the frame overnight with a reinforcing strip glued along the back, or swap to a thicker backing. This correction fixes alignment without rebuilding the whole frame.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.